Hey foodies! Welcome back to Dollicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo na pwede pala magluto ng tocino gamit lamang ang air fryer. Alam nyo, gets na gets ko yun talaga. Kasi super busy natin and ayaw rin naman natin na bibili tayo ng food sa labas kasi nga nagtitipid tayo. That's why sometimes we prefer to prepare food that is ready-made and only needs a quick cooking. Kaya good news sa mga may air fryer dyan. You can really manage your time well kasi marami nang pwedeng maluto dito. Dahil nga may air fryer, naganap ako talaga ng mga food na pwedeng maluto. Napanood ko rin sa ibang YouTube channel na pwede pala magluto ng tocino sa air fryer within 15 to 20 minutes. I saw this chicken tocino SM Bonus brand inside the Walmart Super. And then a while ago, I brushed a few drops of oil onto my round baking pan. I'm doing this to prevent the tocino from sticking to the pan. Don't worry if you don't have a baking pan, you can also use aluminum foil. So after that, I put the chicken tocino, cutting it into small pieces. Yung thing na nagustuhan ko sa paggamit ng air fryer is that makakaiwas na talaga sa mga sobrang mamantikang pagkain. Air fryer is actually made for that purpose. Then, put it inside the air fryer. Just choose the chicken option and then set the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and cook it for 8 minutes. Tapos pwede ka na mag-multitask ng ibang household chores nyo while waiting. And then, after the 8 minutes, just flip the tocino pieces to cook the other side para naman pantay lang yung pagkakaluto. And then I brush some oil, then cook them for another 8 minutes. So pwede nyo dagdagan ng time if tingin nyo kulang pa. But for me, it was cooked for 16 minutes in total. And it's done! Once again, this is Dollicious Cravings, again saying no hate, just love. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming recipes. Until next time!